You are watching software engineers working with code and they write couple of lines of codes, even 100 lines of codes, and you are amazed and surprised how this is working, how they built complex system just like many developers have built a lot of things. And in recent year, now AI era, agent can work and it generates the codes. So if you are a simple user just like me, to just analyze and walk through the process that how should if I code, this video is for you. So the only thing you have to do is just go to your browser and just write VS Code download. It's VS Code download and you can download on any of your operating system. Then this is the first step. The second step is that you come to any of your folder just like this and open it in terminal. Just write, I assume after installing VS Code you are doing this. Just write code dot and it will open that folder into the VS Code. So now we are here in the our folder. So first of all, let's create a file which name is index.html. What is HTML file? This is the basic code from frontend to design with the help of another language, not a proper language, but it's a styling language. This is name is CSS. But from now we are trying to just write code so that we can also uh, take the uh, what you say, the proud moment of developers. So just when you come here in VS Code and making index.html, just write shift plus exclamation mark. It will show the screen like this. Just enter there and you will see a lot of code is generated by the VS Code. Don't worry, our main aim is that we have to just watch how the system works. So I come here in the body. First of all, after installing VS Code, you have to install some of the extensions. One extension that name is Live Preview. You have to install that. And this is after installing, it will comes here. So let's try it. You can see after I writing, it is shown in the web browser, and this web browser is the website that you are building. So let's write something. The first thing I want to write is a heading that hello universe, I have done the programming. You can see here it's all showing side by side. So that's how you can write code, and this is the process for all the developers. VS Code is essential for all the developers, either is senior most developer, senior most software engineer, or just a beginner. VS Code is necessary, and this is how they are writing codes. Yeah, there are bunch of other programming languages like JavaScript, PHP. For making that, for example, I make a new file that is in PHP. It is in PHP. Just like that, we can make other file that is in the JavaScript. So these are the processes, but the main thing is they're writing code by this in their file, in their file, then they can attach the file and it will becomes a boom. So this is For today video, just a practical example of how daily life web developers work, and you are now also seeing this art. Remember, this is an art, and you have to be learn coding whether you are not a developer or not uh, a technical person, but we have to learn art because art is amazing and the world is seeing so much beautiful arts in websites and in application. So that's it. Let's meet in the next video with another topic. Thank you. My name is Mohammed Farooq Javed and I am a software engineer.